welcome back to another video, man. We on the way right now to Santa Rosa or 38. We're gonna go take pictures of the trucks. That boy Justin brought out the camera. I thought we were just gonna use our phones to take pictures just because of the scenery is so good over there. But nah, that man brought out the camera, man. I think it's gonna look nice. But yeah, man, we headed out there right now. I shouldn't be driving while on my phone, but hey, I forgot to record while I was at the gas station to start off the video. But hey, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what you want to see next. And y'all just stay tuned, man. We finna get lit, yes, sir. Scenery I'm talking about, boy. It's like a movie. But it's real, boy. So precious. Look, bro. Like, who wouldn't want to live here, bro? Just so nice. People riding bikes, birds chirping in the background. Gavin put this on today, boy. I got that fuzzy steering wheel. How y'all feeling about it? How y'all feeling? Drop down below what y'all think about it, man. It's so beautiful. But yeah, man, we almost to the spot to take the pictures. This is just unreal. This, like, I always go here. Every time I got the same reaction, bro. Like, this is just crazy to me. It's just so nice. Like, who wouldn't want to live here? Like, everybody ride bikes. Just seems so peaceful. Chill. Yes, sir. We about to pull up on the spot now. See y'all when we get there. We out here, man. This ain't the right spot, but we finna thug it. Stop recording for some reason. But hey, man, we back. Stepping, boy. See the big armada? Got Maury in the front. We leaning, boy. I can't wait to be leaning. What y'all think? Maury stocks on here? That junk is clean, though. What you want to say to the vlog, JD? What you got to say, boy?
What's the quote of the day?
What's the quote of the day? Yeah, get a quote of the day, Jada. Think of some real deal.
Don't believe you can't when you know you can't.
Amen. If there was some leaning, boy, we'll be stepping. Justin certified with the camera, boy. Yes, sir. Got that doggy, boy. Got that doggy in his, man. I need you for TikToks. You gonna be in my TikTok, Lil man? Got that dog, boy. New puppy. Yes, sir. What y'all think? Good TikTok dog or what? What you doing, boy? What you doing, boy? What? Swear, I don't even know what he doing.
I'm just trying to put 3 Chevy keys.
These boys trying to take the box out. You mean pass you this spring? I got you.
Hey, I'm putting my springs back in. I'm just taking out the pump. Go the other way. We'll put that one back under there now. We're just taking the pucks out.
Let's go do mine.
We don't got springs.
I got springs. Y'all want to kick mine out like that?
We can. Yeah, I mean, we could literally jack it.
Gotta get the other one. Boys putting in that work.
Check that motherfucker out, Justin. See?
It's all right, man. Justin coming back for you. There you go. You get that Mario coin, boy. That's how you know it failed. I like that movie, no cap. People saying it's mid, but it was pretty good. I ain't gonna lie to you. Again. What is wrong? Ooh. Yeah, I seen that, my boy. What you got to do now?
This one ain't even in.
Go back up.
Oh.
No.
I would have moved from under there when I heard that, boy. I would have moved from under there when I heard that, boy.
All right, watch out, because I ain't letting it go with you under there.
Ooh, we go down that smooth, boy. Now that boy leaning hard, boy.
just take them out. You want to?
Yeah.
We'll just put.
Dude, it rode pretty damn good with it just sitting there. It didn't even ride bad.
He tried to hop out the window just then, boy.
It didn't even ride bad on the concept.
It's because we got fucking.
You got different shocks.
Yeah, I got lip shocks on my shit. I want to see this bitch on the ass. Hold on.
It's gonna be on the frames.
Yes, sir. They decided to take the springs out, boy. He finna be leaning.
Grab that one. Do it your 15.
That boy got that hardwood flow.
You sold it?
Didn't even know it.
I know.
Yes,
Y'all
sir.
was there when y'all got it.
Had to rock that boy. He got it off.
On my phone, though.
Right?
On top.
Top of the roof. Oh.
Drake, how was that rocking feeling for you, my boy?
Buddy.
Draco.
That boy was leaning. Then, boy, look at him now. On the tire. Yes, sir.
Why I can't be on the turn?
What?
Yeah.
Boy, if I had my stock springs in,
Put my whole arm up here, boy.
Keys are not even matched.
Yes, sir.
you trade the other?
Oh my God, look at that Royce boy. Hold on. That boy stepping. That joint so clean, boy. That boy Gavin skating, boy. Yes, sir. That boy Justin back there skating too, boy. Yes, sir. We riding deep, 4 deep out here. Yes, sir. Got the golf cart. Oh my God, boy. Like, just wow, bro. I'm pretty sure they trimmed these trees too. They used to be longer. But I don't know, bro. But this is just, like, so peaceful, bro. Like, this is some real Hollywood, Disney, illumination stuff, boy. Like, this is one of a kind scenery right here. Boy Jackson over there getting his tail lights fixed. Yes, sir. Man, we got the step rails off, but hold on, let me show y'all over here. I gotta finish up taking these metal things off right here. Cause bruh, they got long tubes. But let me show y'all the front one. The bolt is bent, so I can't get that one off. So I'm gonna just tuck it. Then we tried to take the lift springs out, but the truck too high, so I can't do it. But I'm gonna try to go to Dalen House and get it leaning. That bit gonna be hard. But now I gotta go take off the rest of the metal things in these mud flaps. You're gonna be stepping, boy. Yes, sir. Hey, appreciate you, my boy, for getting one side.
Sure.
Real one. Gavin, you know, he just looked around, but he let me use his tools. Real one.
24 fucking
I know,
seconds.
I'm trolling. I'm trolling.
Well, in a month ago.
Yeah, when you put that new lift on.
Now you doing a tech, goddamn. This bitch, you cannot see at all.
What? Putting that windshield tint on. 555. I think with 55 you wouldn't have been able to see. Y'all can see it now? No.
You need a squeegee.
Like Luigi. Same thing.
They got all that.
Boy, he doing my tent next week though. I'm gonna buy the tent. Said only 15 for each window? Yeah.
40.
Hey, he gonna do mine next week though. No cap when I get paid. When I pay my insurance and my bill. But yes, sir, he finna get that shield on. That nigga lost. That nigga lost. God. Man, we out here. This man Gavin coolant went out, I think. That's what it is, right?
Fucking overheat like a
Overheated, boy.
260.
Dang. How you feeling,
Ragged
Jaden?
ass piece of shit.
Nah. That's what that squat do to you, boy.
Let me tell you.
Certified S-Box.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Yeah, you heard me?
Also, this motherfucker on the motherfucking tire. This is not supposed to do. Be like this. You're not supposed to ride like that.
Yeah, you need to put your springs in, buddy.
Why it's fucking hot. This goddamn
This fucking piece of shit. This is what happens when you squat your goddamn truck. There's like posters inside a gas station. What happens when you squat your damn truck, kid?
Don't squat your truck. Ban them.
Don't squat your truck.
Ban them, boy. Hold on. Let's see what they doing, man. How we getting this water? My man's is getting water out the pot.
Shit's clear though.
Hey,
Man,
that is clear.
that shit.
That boy from the hood, but not from the hood. You heard me?
Yeah. We had Bean come to the rescue.
Yes, sir. We was almost on the bridge.
Oh God, I lose into that bitch and I heard it right.
Where'd you see my snap?
Oh, y'all just say, yo.
What is? Let me see that.
Like, I knew y'all pulled over before we were
Ooh, it got a bean on there. You see me, boy. You see me, boy. We was almost on the way home, man. And this man truck had to do what it do. So this is a lesson for y'all watching at home. Do not squat your truck or it's gonna run out of water. I meant coolant. You gonna have to put water in there. So don't squat your truck, cause whenever you squat your truck, everything go wrong. You heard me?
Man, we had a good day today. We went,
Facts.
took some pictures, did everything.
Took my
And
step
this
rails off.
Hot.
Running hot, boy.
Like what?
Bro, running for real.
When you said it was hot, I thought you was talking about like the police was hot at first.
Riding hot.
I was like, wow.
He said that snap over here. He was like, damn, it said riding hot. He was like, oh shit.
Did it start smoking or anything?
No, they don't smoke when you run it. They just like if you keep running it on hot, fuck up the engine.
You're like Mark, remember I dug it in the back here, bro.
Swear. Oh, for real. Yes, sir. I just started doing this though. I used to use the front camera. Yeah. Am I in the camera?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh God, I be putting my shit like down and shit. I be fucking up. I know, you might get the title.
See, it's dropping now.
When you're trying to get the copyright, boy.
It's running at 260 flat.
What is it now?
It's a little bit.
My
Under
bad, boy.
It's a little bit under 260.
I might record your phone
Record through my phone. Man, he finally got a truck crank up, man. It's been like 2 hours. Bro, that's what it feels like. I'm tired.
Hold on, you gotta do my outro too, man.
Yes, sir.
I'm talking.
Alright, boys.
Hey,
We done
finally got
shit
a truck right.
Yep. It's sitting back at normal temperature.
Yes, sir. Hold on.
Alright. We finna skate to the house.
Yes,
Good
sir.
ass sleep. Wake up in the morning, do it again. Make some hamburger help. Yes, sir.
I'll make a hamburger help with his mate.
Wait, y'all slide to the crib for that?
I can't.
Yeah. You can't.
I live in the hood. Y'all live up 231.
Yeah, that is true.
Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all
sir.
stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what y'all wanna see in the next video. Peace.
Nah, I ain't finished.
Just when we thought we was done, man, they were done ran hot again, boy. So they just ran in the store. They got some water.
See, Gavin?
That y'all pumping up.
Yeah, I'm trying it. Dalen just told me to. Yeah, now I can hear water getting into the hood.
Boy, I'm tired, boy. I thought we was done with that video.
What, Dalen?
But hey, we back at it. Got that gallon on them.
Yeah, now I can feel fluid.
Wait, did that fall from the... Oh, no. I don't know. I'm learning, though.
Yeah, the phone is called. Yeah, I'll call Dalen.
You know, what take that? That's what Brett Michaels be talking about.
What?
Brett Michaels
Hey,
know
what
what
you
he
talking about?
What you talking about?
That bit is clean though, that RV.
Hold on.
When they open the door, the
Push it down
stairs come out. Watch, hold on, watch that.
Put water in
I
it.
don't want to record them.
That's what I'm waiting to see where it's at. I can't see without a light. I don't want to overfill
They ain't
it.
closed the door. But when they open it, the stairs
I need a
come
light.
out.
Right.
Well, if you don't feel that, to the brim.
Come on, fill it up.
To the rim, I meant, not the brim.
Close and personal with it.
Got pump that motherfucker. Fuck. Yeah, don't fill it up too much. Because it'll start over.
I saw the recording bar you fell.
You don't fill the water into it?
Dalen.
A little bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Dalen said you have to do that to prime it.
Oh my God.
What the fuck?
That's on the vlog, boy. You're nasty. Boy, you're nasty. Do you feel the water?
Yeah, you can feel it in there.
You
but
go
it's
come
like
all the way to the
little-
beach.
I mean, if y'all don't figure it out.
It's whatever, man.
Put water back in it. How much is in it? Let me see. Push. Let me see, like.
Let me. If they can't, don't edit it either. You've been coming in wrong.
What do you mean by that? GMC.
You should get a white one.
I don't even know.
Hey, big things coming soon to the Yukon too.
Yes, sir. You just cut it on. It's gonna get way hotter.
Doesn't matter. I don't take it
Ooh, I can feel it through the napkin, cuz. Put your thumb right here, Jit.
Fuck!
Put your thumb right there. You gonna burn yourself. You feel it getting hot.
Yeah, but it's not like.
Yeah, Jaden just. I don't know what Jaden do. Jaden keep burning himself. What up? Headed home. It's still not fixed, but hopefully they can fix it at the crib. What's up, man? It's y'all boy Bean. It was a long night when we was there, but it's a few days after, like the next weekend. But I was sitting there editing. I forgot to do intros because I was tired. I ain't gonna lie. But man, it was a good day. Got the photo shoot done. Took my step rails off. That boy Justin put it on the tire. That boy Big leaning. Then Gavin truck started running hot. But hey, right now it's good. So it's been good since they did what they were supposed to do to it. I don't really know. I'm still learning about the truck, so you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, it's done. So make sure y'all stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate all y'all. Road to 300. We at 263 right now as I speak. Let's get it to 300 before summertime. That's the goal. I know that's like kind of unrealistic, but hey, y'all can make it happen. Appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned. Peace.